Okay, we have the Earth's Water book. Now, what I'd ask everybody is, what do you see first on the cover? Well, I see a boy, I see some water, I see a beach. Where do you see water? You see water down at the beach, at a river, at a stream. Let's read. Oops, not the right book. Earth's Water. Okay. Again, this is a non-fiction book. A non-fiction book is not a story book. It gives us information to read. We have a table of contents, the different chapters, and the pages. So let's start reading. Water everywhere. Water is in ponds, lakes, and oceans. It flows in rivers and streams. It is in the air too. Most of the earth is covered with water. Plants and animals need water to live. What are some ways you use Earth's water? Different forms of water. Most of the water we see is a liquid. Liquid water takes the shape of the container it is in. Not all water is liquid. When water gets very cold, it freezes. It becomes solid. Solid water is called ice. Much of Earth's frozen water is at the North and South poles. Some of Earth's water is invisible. It is in the air. This water is a gas. Changing water. Water is always changing. When frozen water is heated, it melts. It changes to a liquid. When liquid water gets cold, it freezes. It changes to ice. Have you ever seen a puddle of water dry up in the sun? Heat from the sun changed the liquid water into a gas. This is called evaporation. Evaporation. When invisible water in the air gets cold, it can make clouds. Clouds are tiny drops of liquid water. Those drops can get bigger. Then they fall as rain. Water is important. Rain keeps plants alive. We fight fires with water. Animals take baths in water. It is important to take care of Earth's water. Polluted water makes people, plants, and animals sick. Would you want to drink and play in polluted water? Here's the glossary. The glossary is a little dictionary in the back of the book. It says evaporation. Evaporation. Process of drying up that changes liquid to gas. We find that word on page 12. Freezes. Gets so cold that it turns into a solid from a liquid. It's on page 8. Gas. An invisible substance that is not a liquid or solid. Page 10. Invisible. Unable to be seen. Page 10. Liquid. A substance that takes the shape of the container it is in. Page 7. Melts. Turns from a solid to a liquid when heated up. Page 11. Polluted. Polluted. Made dirty or harmful. Page 15. Solid. A substance that keeps its shape. The index at the bottom gives us different topics and shows the pages where we can find those topics. So if I want to read about liquids, I can look at page 7, 8, 11, or 12. Okay, please practice the book.